Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Pocket Broker Trading app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head over to our Play or App Store depending what device you're on. Then from here we need to do a search. So click on the search button, and then where it says search apps and games, this is where you type in Pocket Trader Trading app and then hit search. And here it is here. So skip past the sponsored if there are any. And this one here, it's got over 10 million downloads, 70,000 reviews. Scroll down, you can have a look at it. So it's got 4.3 star rating from 70,000 reviews, which is pretty decent. So yeah, from here we want to click on the blue install button. This is going to go ahead and download and install the application onto your mobile device. It's quite small, 4 megabytes in size, should only take a few seconds. From here you can open up the app and sign in with your credentials, or you can create a new account by clicking registration.